How to fix message not sent check option problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix a problem where your message is not being sent. So what you basically have to do is go over to your settings menu, and from your settings you want to scroll down until you find app settings, tap on apps, and then from there you just have to find your messaging app. So I'll just go ahead and scroll down until I find messages, and then simply tap on it. Now once you're on your messaging app, tap on storage, go over to clear cache. Now you can clear data if you want as well. You can delete all of its data. And after doing so, you want to go to battery. Make sure it's set to unrestricted and not on any other option. And after doing so, you can just go ahead and scroll to the top and go to permissions. Make sure all of the permissions are allowed and try to force stop the app once, because if there's something running in the background that might be causing the issue, it's going to completely stop it. Then one more thing that you need to do is just go ahead and see if there are any updates available. So what you can do is go back to your apps and then find your messaging app one more time. And once you find your messages, just go ahead and tap on it. Scroll down and tap on app details in store. It's going to take you directly over here to check if there are any updates available. And then if there is, just update the app to its latest version and you'll be good to go. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button in the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.